se eka emre wo mu
ya dem ba conference man about on person so yete say ba ye hye adehye na asore ne so de kosi senie ye be call no no yakwa kudi nkomo so ba ni ma ebeda ye ye adwuma no pa wie adwuma na dwede siom eboa ma ye yere sa ho nsensem atumpon mizo ni 5G so no ye de bokas ye so amana ye de mizo ni ye uma hudo benum ye obako ye anka nko a ba ko ye pineapple and na ye obako ye melons num and ye obako so a yaka fruit ni nyina de abom e de pe si kire nim preservatives bia so enimu a eyema obia empeni nkokora mrewa obia no bia eboa no pa 5G ne de ema energy soronko amba dwuma bia wo ye bia no utimi ye mane koye ema gisika de gubutum 3A Herbal Center for at the 3A co capsules abedwa so a so nya bia ukoko no ba bia fifiri wo bia asie betu asie be hye e de afiri ni paduanum Food and Drug Authority mperifa ajatum enye na ewu dwaso ya unya bia ebo ye pa abusia wo mo na so ya senemu a enwume ba bia wo bia ne yetimi aba na yaba besommo yedi ne nsesan na ya obo amale bia boga nwumre mene
kwabena kese
ya kamo say woti enka wo bono ene na half mantem ne mu a aha Sompa 98.7 FM Sompa 98.9 FM ai Sompa 98.9 FM na woti enka ewo eye bono isia aha Sompa 90.7 FM ena asante mantem so no Sompa 93.1 FM abusia yento akase no so ne mfam nkohyase enfrim raswe gefim na nana se woni nsase ya ka kire wo Ghana mraswe dwafo no kotena ase a enturumu ho mra no a na akwakọ ese ye begye atum ye nyintum ene ekwaji tumu a Ghana bosi a ye hwe ne mo si ensa beka free IMF ene abrofo no ho no emba no ene Ghana mraswe dwafo no kotena ho a wo mo ekoye ye ene no wo ho na kese kwasi broni ka ne se eye first reading course second reading course a ye wa twede mu se ne ye toso miensa no ebekoso na ne omadidi ho nkomo no mo agye atumu na nemra mraswe dwafo no tena ase no na se woni nsase ye ka kire wo Ghana sofo akuku dam nyina ene omokotena mraswe gefie mo sa so ena nkremo mpfo mpanimfo nyina esoso egogu mraswe gefie mo no mo a omonsam a na omokama mraswe gafo na te ase ene se sa nturumu ene ma no a omode omonsa ekọ excursion ewo omayase no a ye friend lesbianism no omai Ghana ye nsoso so ye mesoso so sa ne ma no so ene mraswe gafo no so omon pereto mpano no a na ewo se omo agitumu na mraswe gafo no tena ase no a omo eba bedi nkomo no a ena mraswe gefie mu chia me hene Right Honorable Alban Kenso Sumana Baben sorry ye se answer na mraswe gafo no won be show madwuma ase no mo akosa amra no so no wo be pese eye mpanimfo a wo mo aba besra wonum enne e wo mraswe gefie mu honum no wo da wo madie e ma mraswe gafo no ehunu mpanimfo a aba be ka wo mraswe gefie mu honum e ma mansa nyina esoso edi hu adanse enne mra ene adwuma wo mo eba be ni senti a asofo akuku damwa e wo Ghana nyina abe piem mraswe gefie mu honum na musumi ni nkramofo empanimfo nyina so etem mraswe gefie mu honum a wo mo eba be po eye mraswe gafo no echidom yenko tie Speaker of Parliament emra na obobo register no any Assemblies of God na sofo pani na wasore Pentecost sofo pani no wasore Methodist sofo pani no wasore
that I have been ensconced as a development chief of the Tapu Traditional Council.
Abzafo ye hwese Honorable Speaker nensemo de tu dwane ye benya de ma mo yenkwe na yenkotie no.
We have the Muslim delegation led by the Commonwealth President Haj Abdul Manan Abdul Rahman. Yes, please. Then Nana Alhaji Yusuf Fachinama, Chief of Kintampo and President of the Zongo Chiefs. 19 other members. That's what is on the document. Now we have Apostle Christopher Afam-Nyako, the Vice President to the Apostolic Church Ghana. We have Apostle Abraham Ofori Apostolic Church, Ghana. The Apostolic Church, Ghana, Kaneshi, Accra. Pastor Philip K. Amano. The Apostolic Church, Ghana, Koju, Say. The Church of Pentecost, Dansuman area. Apostle Francis Yao Edu, the Church of Pentecost in Sawam area. Apostle Nkrumah Ajiman, the Church of Pentecost, Teshinungwa area. Apostle Dr. Diodoni Komla Nuape, La area head, Church of Pentecost.
I was on point to where I'm not swinging if you have right honorable Albana, Kensford's man of Babin Yetin and Canina, a asofo akukudam ene imam fo akukudam a ekota mra se yafo na chi emra na omudi eye ntrumu honumra ehon koma na asofo no akwakotrete na honom na uyi asofo no to nchene a na imam fo ho na ye nanan ma hemfo soso pino a egu eye mra se yafie mu no a wo ma ekobo mra se yafo no eye echidom na busia speaker sa so de to mra se yafo no nim emra woda sa mpadimfo yi edi ede che mra se yafo no ene wi ase nyina no ene de to mra se yafo no nim se samra we ye da mra se yafo no nim no wo ma eni mra se yafo no bino a wo ma ayi wo ma nim aka ono so ohun so wadwoa enti mra se yafiem echi amehene ede tudwa se sawo ye mpia wote dem ha na se samra we also mfo so a sorry na eka ne enti a also mfo so busuafo ase siye gooding anoma bakra entimi ansori ansi bibi anche speaker ne yankoi emra speaker busa sa question we ya MPs 275 no ba kokra entima anya bema ansori nya na so se wono de ofo gege enu ntrumu so
any person honorable members any honorable member who disagrees with the submissions just made by the Honorable and the Appeal Kubi. Since all members are in support of the bill, I definitely is not going to gag the House. No. I will definitely give you opportunity to expound and improve further the submissions that have been made, so that at the consideration stage we will be enriched by your contributions to make proper amendments to the bill. I don't intend to prevent you from contributing, but I just wanted everybody to be clear that none is against the bill. Then we move on.
I was on to where I'm now, Namra Swage, Fiamicha, right honorable Alban, Kensor, Sumana Babin, Na Obusa, Samra Swage for 275, no, what was a war Bema, and I say what was a bar, was say I in Trumumrano, on Pesagana for your best say, I may see who quino, so original way, na SCB bitch the Ghana for, na chance ye, na chay. Then Yassam Keto Asamhado did Bema background to me and sorry and say where your MPA Abia Ujina Honmoma this year a worship to no dear Yamakwana month for 77 Prediasa Enquedu Muturumu ne Manos Sonkoye Isupinum near dia Eneja Wamo Ede Ekukuguye
Ghana mrasero money da so jina na yewura kwame anyimadu antwe so na ekasai e wo sansan sem yedi kan ebiemu ediamamo na wo kwa Ghana mrasero dwamu a abadwako ye hwe amamara na afeso mrasero dwafie on sansam no won ne dwamtane edema wo mo ono so nsam kakra ode to dwane
majority of Ghanaians were in favor of the passage of the bill. However, there are significant human rights concerns which are worthy of consideration. Pursuant to Article 12(1) of the Constitution, all organs of the state, including the executive, judiciary, and Parliament have a constitutional duty to respect and uphold the fundamental human rights enshrined under the 1952 Constitution. In the light of the above constitutional imperatives, the committee decided to seek the opinion of the Attorney General on the bill. The Attorney General's concerns were duly considered. The committee accordingly recommends to the House to adopt its report and pass into law the proper Woman, Sexual and Ghanaian Family Values Bill 2021. Subject to the amendments proposed by the committee, which we have attached to this report.
Yewura Kwame Enyimadu entry ewe ye no ana ne nua ba ko ya ono so eka ne ho wasa abadwakuo no so owura Bernard Ahiafo ono so de kakra esoso.
Right to remain a man until death. If you are born a woman, you have a right to remain a woman until death. There cannot be any absolute right for you, a woman, to change into a man, or a man changing into a woman. Okay. It has been in Article 39, particularly clause 2. It's very clear on this issue. Mr. Speaker, with your permission, if I may read Article 39, if I may even read from 39.1. Mr. Speaker, 39.1 says, subject to clause 2 of this article, the state shall take steps to encourage the integration of appropriate customary values.
Ne krakra mukra no Yewura Samuel Nate George ya wono ye nigo prampram raso twene wono so de kakra ewi asem no.
Project, and that's on time. The Human Genome Project is a $3 billion funded project by the government of the United States of America, which is the biggest investigation into the human genome. This project spanned 20 universities in the United States, the United Kingdom, Japan, and South Korea. And what they tried to do was to map out the human DNA to identify the genome. Mr. Speaker, they were able to identify the genetic marker that makes somebody like me. I only smell the food and I go big. And there are some other people, they can eat 10 balls of cake, they won't go big. Every, like Sophie. All of this is genetic. What makes you have a bald head like a Kujo to a black, able to identify the genetic marker that makes women attracted to men. They could not find any genetic marker that makes men attracted to men or women attracted to women. It makes me understand why Honorable Eslawusu did not have affection for Honorable Abina Asare, but rather found people attractive. He even sits next to the handsome Mr. Atasia. Let us serve notice that Honorable Ahia, for his submission, said in 50 years there will be migration. Well, he doesn't need to wait 50 years. It's happening today. It says, because Mr. Speaker, like it is attributed to Robert Mugabe, if you put two men in a room.
Sam George and Yatini Kai Waya Ningo Prampram Rasabujani, Sansam Wina and someone that day, a film Rasabujafie, APP.
Na Rasabujani or Rasabujafie Fima this year, one more or Krabaton Pesia Sonobo, Dan Kwakubo Chesono, and Komui or Nanu Tumubia, where say Emrano, Rasabujani, Bien Honoma, or Becca say, a bia. Was sorry say utiam rano and untiama kwai ema mranche de maba wano wo mo sebe producer enkodi turumu na wo mo nkobubu amanfo tungum wo se debi emra no mo nyina etachire na si ho kwan na esi ho kwan wi a sese ye bereru amanfo dem na no mo yesa de no yakwa kusi mo kwan na onabo dan kwakubotwe.
That is why in this report the committee did very well to talk about what is happening in Hungary. Right, Honourable Speaker, paragraph 77.2, they say that Hungary anti-LGBTQ legislation is targeted at children, even though they say below 18 years. Yeah. Adults are allowed to engage in same-sex marriage. But they say this, the key elements in the Hungary legislation are the prohibition of all forms of advertising publication and public education which purpose to propagate or portray divergence from self-identity corresponding to sex at birth. Right, Honorable Speaker, honorable members. For me, this is the danger, because you may have a teacher in your child's school who may subtly be promoting this. Don't say he, don't say she, don't say this, and subtly they'll be doing that. One of our shops who be using all these gay colors, and so you have a baby, you are going to buy a diaper and there's a color on it. These are the subtle, dangerous things that beyond passing this bill.
Abusia wa yamra so adwani wa mra so adwafie ma desia wo mo wo kra baton peso so wa poema ntemonobo dan kwaku boche ene yete ne nka no so etwi adwena kwa kosi so ene ma bia amanfo eyeye ni sumase a santurumu nsem ya wo mo esoso so no mo afoafo so Reverend John Ntimfojo esoso ye MP de ma desia wo mo ewa Sen South abaton peso so emre ni kofa ba nyina no wono so eka ho bi na ne yono so editu dwamra se be gafie mu ni
Emre ya ye ba besi sei